Alessandro Perguidi in Estoril for an incredible weekend for play team. I mean, the whole team in the front and you with your trophy going home.
Yeah, I'm very happy, especially after yesterday when bad start with bad qualifying, but the teams worked very hard during the night, and today the car's perfect, 17 first race from the behind, and now third is a very good job, and I think it's possible to make better, but a little contact with another car, I go out and then go in, but I lost a lot of position. But third for me is very good result.
And next race in Vallelunga with your local fans and the closest race to Galatasaray's home. So I feel you're looking forward to repeat this result there.
For sure. In Vallelunga we made a lot of tests in August, and we are very fast. So I hope a good race, also better than third, and we will see in Vallelunga.
Congratulations for Galatasaray and good luck in the next race.
Thank you very much.